Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a Girls Know All unboxing. So Girls Know All, firstly I came across it at work. I work for a very well-known high street fashion brand. I'm not going to disclose any names for personal reasons, but I work for the flagship store in central London, and within my store we have loads of concession brands, and one of the concessions is Girls Know All, and I've seen it a few times on my shift. I know they sell some cute sweatshirts, joggers, t-shirts, just very nice loungewear that you would see loads of Instagram girls wearing. But even though I thought they were all cute and stuff, nothing in particular drew me to want to buy anything. So moving forward, a few weeks later, I was on shift. I had to go downstairs to a different department, and when I was downstairs I saw a customer with a Girls Know All sweatshirt, and you can tell what brand is Girls Know All because they have a specific aesthetic and, you know, designs, so you know that's that brand. Anyway, and I was like, oh my god, this sweatshirt is so cute. It was all like a off-white, beigey white. It's probably just white, you know, I can't think offhand, but it was like white sweatshirt, and in the middle it was a graphic in baby pink, and I was like, I need this. So I was like, cool, gonna go back up to my floor and go to the Girls Know All concession, and lo and behold, they did not have the sweatshirt at all. So I was like, okay, it just wasn't meant to be. And then later that day I actually bumped into the girl that works on the concession, and she was wearing the sweatshirt that I liked. So I asked her about it and I said, oh, are you gonna get more? And she was like, oh, they're all out of stock right now, because it was very popular, and due to the whole COVID situation, she don't know when they're gonna get stock back of that particular sweatshirt. So I was like, cool, that's understandable, don't worry. And then but then she went on to suggest, oh, we have an online website, so go on there and see if we have it in stock. Cool. That evening I went home, had a look online, and again, out of stock. So I was like, Alex, just give up, you're not gonna get this sweatshirt. And guys, this is where the quote, do not give up on your dreams, comes into action. I know that is so over dramatic in this situation, but it's kind of like the same concept. Don't give up on something that you want. So this Black Friday, I went on my computer, everywhere's doing good deals, and I thought, you know what, let me go on Girls Know All. Went on there, I saw a different sweatshirt that I liked the look of, and I was going to buy that sweatshirt. Luckily, something told me, Alex, keep on scrolling, and the sweatshirt that I wanted was in stock. Usually I wear size large, which is size 14 to 16, but that was out of stock, and they only had extra large, which was size 18 to 20. And this might sound stupid, but I prefer oversized stuff, especially because I have a bigger bust. So I don't like, in general, clothes that are so tightly fitted on me, especially because I'm on the bigger size. I like stuff to be really comfortable and cozy. So yeah, I got the sweatshirt, and also on top, because it was Black Friday, I got a discount for it, and I was like, done. Today it's finally arrived in the mail. I've got it here, and before actually opening it, I thought, let me unbox it, open it with you guys to show you what I've got. If you can hear the ice cream man in the background, I'm sorry. I don't know why. It's winter and the ice cream man decides to come, you know, but I guess the kids want ice cream. Although I guess I'm really not one to talk, because I like iced coffee, you know what no matter what the season. So I guess that's kind of like the same thing. People like ice cream even in the winter. But yeah, going back on topic, let me open this up and show you what the sweatshirt looks like. Okay, so it's like an off-white, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up well, but it's an off-white sweatshirt with a, I said baby pink, but it's actually a like beige graphic on it, and it says Barcelona, Catalonia thing. Anyway. So this is what it looks like. The camera's picking it up as white, but it's actually off-white, and the Barcelona graphic here, I absolutely love it. And as you can see inside the sweatshirt, I don't know if the camera's picking it up all that good, but it's like fleecy inside. So for me, because this is more oversized than I usually would have a sweatshirt, at least I can wear it without wearing anything on top because the fleece will keep me warm. So that's really handy, because it's a bit difficult wearing a sweatshirt and then a big coat on top because it's cold outside and then you're like just too hot. I'm so glad that this came in time because I go back to work tomorrow and I really wanted to wear it. This is the sweatshirt I'm currently wearing now. It's a grey sweatshirt with Paris on. It's from Topshop. And when I tell you I've been living in this sweatshirt for the last 3-4 months, I ain't kidding you. It's just so warm and cozy, and any opportunity that I get, I'm wearing this sweatshirt. So it'd be nice to wear something new and cute. This sweatshirt can just be lounging around at home kind of sweatshirt, and this one I can wear out to work or out with the girls. So yeah, I'm gonna go put this on and I'll come back and show you what it looks like. So yeah, this is what the sweatshirt looks like on. I really like it. It says Barcelona. Let me see if, really like it. It's oversized but not too oversized. I'm glad I've got this so that when I'm at work on an 8-hour shift and I'm like running around, it's not so tight on me that I'm constantly sweating, because girl. But yeah, 10 out of 10. The quality is really nice, super soft, super comfortable, will definitely keep you warm. I really do recommend you to check them out. I'll leave a link down below to their Instagram handle and their website, but it's just Girls Know All. And yeah, I can't wait to wear this out and about. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, let me know, and also do let me know what videos you want to see next or in general on my channel. I hope you're doing well and staying safe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.